Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to manage multiple brands in Canva step by step in 2026 so you can streamline your designs, maintain consistency, and save a lot of time across different projects. Managing multiple brands can be tricky if you're constantly switching colors, logos, fonts, and templates. Canva makes this process much easier with brand kits and proper organization. Start by logging into your Canva account. Go to the brand kit section. If you have Canva Pro, you can create multiple brand kits for each of your brands. Give each kit a clear name like Brand A or Brand B so you can easily distinguish them. Now, upload the brand assets for each kit. This includes logos, brand colors, and fonts. Having everything ready ensures consistency across all your designs and prevents mistakes. Next, set up templates for each brand. For example, create social media post templates, presentation layouts, or marketing materials. Link each template to its respective brand kit so you can quickly access it without manually changing styles. Another helpful tip is to organize folders for each brand. Create separate folders for social media, advertising, and internal materials. This keeps your workspace clean and makes it easy to find designs quickly. If you work with a team, make sure to assign proper permissions. Allow teammates to access the right brand kit and folders for their projects. This ensures that everyone stays on brand and avoids confusion. You can also use Canva's bulk features like copy style or magic resize to quickly adapt designs for multiple platforms or brands. This is especially helpful when launching campaigns across different brands simultaneously. Finally, review your brand assets and templates regularly. Update colors, fonts, or logos if needed, and archive outdated designs. Keeping your brand kits organized saves time and maintains a professional look for all brands. And that's how to manage multiple brands in Canva step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.